ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે ટાઈપ 4 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાવ ટાઈપ 5 ઓફ મેટ્રાઇસિસ, that is inverse of matrices. This is most important type. First note, what is inverse of matrices? Inverse of matrices is denoted by a raised to minus 1. A raised to minus 1 is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A, where A is non-singular matrix. What is non-singular? So determinant of A is not equal to 0. It's called non-singular matrix. So adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. There are two properties very useful for us in our example, that is A raised to minus 1 raised to minus 1 is equal to A. It means inverse of inverse means A. Second one, AB raised to minus 1 is equal to B raised to minus 1 multiplied by A raised to minus 1. This is very important for us. AB raised to minus 1, B first આવી જશે, B raised to minus 1 અને multiply થશે A raised to minus 1. Now next, first example of inverse. If A is equal to B is equal to, then prove that. This we have to prove. Second property. Now let's left hand side. First AB raised to minus 1. So first we have to find out AB. 4 1 3 1 5 1 4 1. So first ma row, second ma column. First column, first row. 4 multiplied by 5 20, 1 multiplied by 4 4, 3 multiplied by 5 15, 4 multiplied by 1 4. Second column, 4 multiplied by 1 4, 1 multiplied by 1 1, 3 multiplied by 1 3, 1 multiplied by 1 1. 24 19 5 4. This is our left hand side. Now right hand side, that is B raised to minus 1 multiplied by A raised to. This is our AB, sorry, AB. Now we have to find out AB raised to minus 1. So we have to find out AB raised to minus 1. AB raised to minus 1, that is equal to adjoint of AB divided by determinant of AB. First adjoint of AB. Cofactor plus minus minus plus. Now 24 ના કોફેક્ટર થશે 4, 5 ના કોફેક્ટર થશે -19, -19 ના કોફેક્ટર થશે -5, 4 ના કોફેક્ટર થશે 24. ટ્રાન્સપોઝ એટલે આપણે મળશે એડજોઇન્ટ ઓફ A. એડજોઇન્ટ ઓફ A 4 -5 -19 and 24. Next, determinant of A. 24 minus 4 minus 19 multiplied by 5. 24 multiplied by 4. 96. 19 multiplied by 5. 95. 96 minus 95, 1. Now AB raised to minus 1 is equal to adjoint of AB divided by determinant of AB is equal to 4 minus 5 minus 19 24 divided by 1 is equal to 4 minus 5 minus 19 24. This is our left hand side. Now right hand side. B raised to minus 1 multiplied by A raised to minus 1. So first of all we have to find out B raised to minus 1. That is adjoint of B divided by determinant of B. Same way, A raised to minus 1 is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. First adjoint of B, cofactor, plus minus minus plus is equal to B na cofactor. 5 na cofactor 1, 5 na cofactor 1, 1 na cofactor 4 minus 4 na cofactor minus 1 and 1 na cofactor 5. Same way, cofactors of A. 4 na 1, 1 na 3 minus 3 na minus 1, 1 na 4. Transpose it એટલે આપણે મળશે adjoint, એટલે આપણે મળશે adjoint of B, that is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 4 5. Same adjoint of A, 1 minus 1 minus 3 4. Now determinant of A. 1 multiplied by 4, that is 4, minus 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3, 1. Sorry, this is B. Adjoint of A, 4 minus 3, that is 1. This is determinant of A. Same way, determinant of B, 5 multiplied by 1 5, 4 multiplied by 1 4, that is 1. This is determinant of B. Now minus B raised to 1 is equal, B raised to minus 1 is equal to adjoint of B divided by determinant of B. Adjoint 1 minus 1 minus 4 5, 1 minus 1 minus 4 5 divided by 1, that is 1 minus 1 minus 4 5. Same way, A raised to minus 1 is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Adjoint of A, 1 minus 1 minus 3 4, 1 minus 1 minus 3 4 divided by 1, that is, this is B raised to minus 1. A raised to minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 3 4. Now right hand side, B raised to minus 1 multiplied by A raised to minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 4 5, 1 minus 3 minus 1 4. First ma row, second ma column. 1 plus 1 minus 4 minus 15 minus 1 minus 4 4 plus 16, 2 minus 19 minus 5 20, 2 minus 19 minus 5 20. This is our right hand side. Left hand side, 4 minus 5 minus 19 24. 4 1 3 1, 5 1 4 1. 4 multiplied by 5 20, 4 multiplied by 1 4 24. 5 multiplied 3 multiplied by 1 15 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, 4 multiplied by 1 4 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. Okay, 1 multiplied by 3 3. Okay, so 2 minus 5 9 minus 90 20. 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. 1 multiplied by 1 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 3 4, sorry. 1 multiplied by, okay, 1 multiplied by minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 5. So here 4 plus 1, that is 5. 1 multiplied by 1 1 minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 plus 4 1 multiplied by minus 4 minus 4 5 multiplied by minus 19. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1 minus 1 multiplied by 4 minus 4 minus 1 multiplied by minus 4 plus 4 4 multiplied by 5 20. Here 20, so 24. Here 3, not 4. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 plus 1 4. 20 plus 4 24. 4 minus 5 minus 19 24. 4 minus 5 minus 19 24. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is your answer. Next, example number 2. If A is equal to 3 4 2 3, find A plus A dash plus A raised to minus. So A is equal to 3 4 2 3. A dash, that is transpose, convert row into column. 3 4 2 3. A raised to minus 1 is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. First, adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, cofactor plus minus minus plus. 3 na cofactor minus 3 na cofactor plus 3. 4 na cofactor minus 2. 2 na cofactor minus 4. 3 na cofactor 3. Now transpose it. 3 minus 4 minus 2 3. This is adjoint of A. Now determinant. Determinant 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 4. 9 minus 8, that is 1. So A raised to minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 2 3 divided by 1. That is 3 minus 3 minus 2 3. Now A plus A dash plus A raised to minus 1. A 2 4 2 3 2 4 3 4 2 3, sorry, 3 4 3 4 2 3 plus A dash 3 2 4 3 3 2 4 3 plus A raised to minus 3 minus 4 minus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. 4 plus 2 6 minus 4 2. 2 plus 4 8 minus 2, sorry, 6 minus 2 4. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. This is your answer. 9249. 9249. Next, example number 3. If A raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4, we have to find out A. We know that A raised to minus 1 raised to minus 1 is equal to A. So A raised to minus 1 given, આપણે એનું ઇન્વર્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરશું એટલે આપણે મળશે A. Now first find determinant. A raised to minus 1 એનું determinant. plus minus plus 1. 4 multiplied by 4 16, 3 multiplied by 3 9, minus 3. 4 multiplied by 1 4, 3 multiplied by 1 3, minus 3, plus 3. 3 multiplied by 1 3, 4 multiplied by 1 minus 4, 1. 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9, 7, minus 3. 4 minus 3 1, plus 3. 3 minus 4 minus 1, 7 minus 3 minus 3, that is 1. Find adjoint of a raised to minus 1. Cofactor plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. First a राइट करी लईए એટલે easy રહે. 1 3 3 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. Now cofactor. 1 na cofactor 4 3 3 4, minus 3 na cofactor 1 3 1 4, 3 na cofactor 1 4 1 3, 1 na cofactor minus 3 3 3 4. 4 na cofactor 1 3 1 4, 3 na cofactor 1 3 1 4, 1 3 1 4. This is minus. Now 1 na cofactor 3 4 3 3 3 4 3, minus 3 na cofactor 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3, 4 na cofactor 1 3 1 4 1 3 1 4. Is equal to 16 minus 9 minus 4 minus 3, 3 minus 4, minus 12 minus 9, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, that is minus 9 minus 12, minus 3 multiplied by 3, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 3. 16 minus 9 7, 4 minus 3, that is 1, આગળ minus ની sign minus 1, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 12 minus 9 3, આગળ minus ની sign minus 3, 4 minus 3 1, 4 minus 3 1, આગળ minus ની sign minus 1, 9 minus 12 minus 3, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 1. Now transpose it. So a join of a raised to minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3, minus 1 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 1. Okay, a raised to minus 1 is equal to adjoint of a raised to minus 1 upon determinant of a raised to minus 1. 7 minus 3 minus 3, minus 1 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 1, divided by 1. So a raised to minus 1 raised to minus 1 is equal to a is equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3, minus 1 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 1. This is your answer. Next sum we will start in our next session. Thank you.